Hello students. Today we are going to study Science and Technology part first. In this video we are studying about important questions in chapter 5 heat. Question first. Select the correct options. क्वेश्चन पेपरमध्ये SSC बोर्डला तुम्हाला पहिल्याच क्वेश्चनमध्ये MCQ 5 मार्कांसाठी विचारले जातात आणि हा कंपल्सरी क्वेश्चन असतो. आता याची आन्सर कशी लिहायची ते आपण पाहणार आहोत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डॅश इज यूज्ड टू स्टडी द एनॉमिलस बिहेवियर ऑफ वॉटर. आन्सर इज होप्स ॲपॅरेटस, मीन्स ऑप्शन सी. आता ही आन्सर तुम्ही कशी लिहिणार आहात पहा. क्वेश्चन फर्स्टमधला हा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, त्याचा आन्सर काय आहे होप्स ॲपॅरेटस आणि त्याचा ऑप्शन आहे सी, म्हणजे तुम्ही या ठिकाणी फक्त सी लिहिणार आहात. होप्स ॲपॅरेटस लिहिण्याची आवश्यकता नाही. याच पद्धतीने सेकंड, व्हेन वॉटर बॉइल्स अँड इज कन्व्हर्टेड इन टू स्टीम देन हीट इज टेकन इन अँड टेम्परेचर रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टंट, मीन्स ऑप्शन ए. तर या पद्धतीनं आन्सर तुम्हाला SSC बोर्ड परीक्षेला लिहायची आहेत, हे लक्षात घ्या. थर्ड सब क्वेश्चन, व्हेन स्टीम कंडेन्सेस टू फॉर्म वॉटर heat is given out and temperature remains the same, option D. When steam condenses to form water, heat is given out and temperature remains the same. Next question, when ice melts its volume decreases, option B. Ice or water is a substance that dash. Ice or water is a substance that contracts on melting and expands on freezing, option C. Heat absorbed when 1 gram of ice melts at 0 degree Celsius to form 1 gram of water at the same temperature is dash calorie. Answer is 80, means 80 calorie, option A. The latent heat of vaporization of water is dash 540 calorie per gram, option A. The latent heat of fusion of ice is dash 80 calorie per gram, option C. It's B and it's C. Next, at 4 degrees Celsius the density of water is dash. At 4 degrees Celsius the density of water is 1 into 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. The density of water is maximum at dash. The density of water is maximum at 4 degree Celsius, option D. Dash heat is needed to rise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water from 14.5 degrees Celsius to 15.5 degrees Celsius. Answer, option A, 4180 joule heat is needed to rise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water from 14.5 degrees Celsius to 15.5 degrees Celsius. Dash heat is needed to convert 1 gram of water at 0 degree Celsius and at a pressure of 1 atmosphere into 1 gram of steam under the same conditions. Answer, option B, 540 calorie. Question number 2, state whether the following statements are true or false. First statement, specific latent heat of fusion is expressed in gram per calorie. Statement is false. If the temperature of water is raised from 0 degree Celsius to 10 degree Celsius, its volume goes on increasing. False. Its volume goes on decreasing. At dew point relative humidity is 100%. Statement is true. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4.18 joules. False. Specific heat capacity is expressed in calorie per gram degree Celsius. True. Latent heat of fusion Q is equal to ml. True. If the relative humidity is more than 60%, we feel that the air is humid. Statement is true. If the relative humidity is less than 60%, we feel that the air is dry. True. Relative humidity has no unit. Statement is true, because relative humidity is a ratio of two quantities. Absolute humidity is expressed in kilogram per meter cube. Statement is true. Question number 3. Identify the odd one. Temperature, conduction, convection and radiation. Odd one is temperature. The joule, erg, calorie and the Newton. Odd is Newton. Calorie per gram degree Celsius, kilocalorie per kilogram degree Celsius and erg per gram degree Celsius. Odd is calorie per gram. Question number 4. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. State units of temperature. The units of temperature are degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. State the units of energy. Units of energy are the erg, joule and the calorie. State the relation between the joule and the calorie. 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joules. State the relation between the erg and the joule. 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 ergs. State the relation between the erg and the kilocalorie. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4.18 into 10 raised to 10 ergs. State the relation between the joule and the kilocalorie. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4.18 into 10 raised to 3 joules. Question number 5. Answer the following questions. First question. What is latent heat of fusion? Answer. Specific latent heat of fusion is the amount of heat energy absorbed at constant temperature by unit mass of a solid to convert into a liquid phase. Next question. Define absolute humidity or what is absolute humidity. म्हणजे हा प्रश्न डिफाईन ॲब्सोल्यूट ह्युमिडिटी असा विचारला किंवा व्हॉट इज ॲब्सोल्यूट ह्युमिडिटी असा विचारला तरी ॲन्सर तेच येणार आहे. स्टेट इट्स युनिट. द मास ऑफ वॉटर वेपर प्रेझेंट इन अ युनिट व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ एअर इज कॉल्ड ॲब्सोल्यूट ह्युमिडिटी. पहा पुन्हा एकदा ऐका. द मास ऑफ वॉटर वेपर प्रेझेंट इन अ युनिट व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ एअर इज कॉल्ड ॲब्सोल्यूट ह्युमिडिटी. जनरली it is expressed in kilogram per meter cube, means unit of absolute humidity is kilogram per meter cube. What is latent heat of vaporization? Specific latent heat of vaporization is the amount of heat energy absorbed at constant temperature by unit mass of a liquid to transform into a gaseous phase, or the amount of heat energy absorbed at constant temperature by unit mass of a liquid to transform into a gaseous phase is called latent heat of vaporization. Define regelation. Regelation is the phenomenon in which the ice transforms to liquid because of applied pressure and then reconverts to ice once the pressure is removed. Next question. What is relative humidity? Relative humidity is the ratio of actual mass of vapor content in the air for a given volume and temperature to that required to make the air saturated with water vapor at that temperature. Next question, what is humidity? The moisture, that is the presence of water vapor in the atmosphere, is called humidity. The moisture, that is the presence of water vapor in the atmosphere, is called humidity. What is dew point temperature or define dew point temperature? If the temperature of unsaturated air decreased, a temperature is reached at which the air becomes saturated with water vapor, and this temperature is called dew point temperature. पहा पुन्हा एकदा ऐका. If the temperature of unsaturated air decreased, a temperature is reached at which the air becomes saturated with water vapor. This temperature is called dew point temperature. Name the physical quantity used express the amount of water vapor present in air. Absolute humidity is the physical quantity which is used for express the amount of water vapor present in air. Do like and share this video. Thank you.